Assalamu alaikum friends, my name is Muzaffarsultan. Today I will share you question and answer of the poem Daffodils. The poet of the poem is William Wordsworth. Before we start the question and answer, I request you all to subscribe my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon. Dear students, first question is that what is the central idea of the poem? The answer is that nature can provide us relief and satisfaction, so we should also concentrate on nature, which is so beautiful that it can finish all our worries. Dear students, now the second question is that what do the daffodils represent in the poem? The answer is that daffodils represent the nature and its impact on human beings. And now the third question is that what wealth do memories of the scene give to the poet? The answer is that poet thinks that wealth of joy and peace that scene had brought to him. And now the fourth question is that list the word that heighten the sound effect in the poem. The answer is that wells and hills, cloud and crowd, trees and breeze, jocund company, etc. Dear students, and now fifth and last question. How has the poet heightened the impact of the poem by using the figurative language? The answer of this question is that the poet has highlighted the impact of the poem by using the figurative language. He prints the images of lakes, fields, trees and stars in an artistic manner. The poet compares the daffodils to the Milky Way galaxy and dreams to the dance with daffodils. So dear students, all 5 questions have been completed. I hope now you will learn the poem with more understanding. Inshallah, I will bring more educational videos for you in the future. So if you have any question and suggestion, you can ask me in the comment box. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and share with your friends. Thank you for watching this video. So we will meet very soon in our next videos. So take care of yourself and your family. Allah Hafiz.